Our next program from JavaScript is whenever we are entering lowercase text as an input, we need to receive uppercase letters as an output for the same input text. So let us know with the help of the program how does we retrieve such an output. So I am defining the function u here. A variable is being declared with string 1 and string 2. String 1 is the value that is being given as an input in a form under the text field. So for that reason we are considering document.form1.text1.value. From where should I take the value? Whenever the user is giving input in the text box, that value is taken which is present under the form. So only one form, one text we are considering. That's the reason we are specifying with form1.text1, and value is the same. Where string 2, what does the string 2 should perform? So it should convert the string 1, whatever that we are giving lowercase letters in string 1, it will be taking here, and str1 is initialized with the help of the text entered in the text box. So str2, what does it do? It will convert the value that is present in str1 to which type of case? Uppercase. That's the reason two uppercase method is being invoked here. In order to display the text, we need to write the display statement. Document.write is the display statement in JavaScript regarding the implementation of the HTML code. So the uppercase string is given with the H3 heading. str2 will be appended in place of upper string value. So the output will appear like the uppercase string is whatever we have entered as lowercase value, that will be converted into uppercase. So close the script, close head and open the body. Now we'll be identifying the form. If you have a look over the output, then you can easily understand this is the form where I am writing enter some string here. This is the text box and this is the button, as you all know. So form name is form1, method equal to post. It means we'll be entering into the text box and the data will be taken by the form with the help of submit button. Whenever we are entering on submit, then what should happen? The function need to be called. What is that function that we have discussed just now? So whenever that function is being invoked, we need to enter some string there in the text box. So input type equal to text, name is text1, value is given empty. Why? Because user should enter while execution of this program. That's the reason the value is not initialized here. And var tag is given for line break. Input type equal to submit, name equal to submit, value equal to enter. Whenever we are entering the value, automatically the submit button will work with the help of u function. So close form, close body, close HTML. Our output will look like this. Just observe. I'm entering small case letters and I am receiving such output. Hope everyone followed. Thank you.